On 6 private acres in Monkton, this 2-story home blends fine craftsmanship with thoughtful design. The living room features hardwood floors, tall ceilings, and abundant natural light. A striking stone fireplace anchors the dining space, creating a warm and welcoming centerpiece. The kitchen highlights quality woodwork and custom details throughout. The second floor offers 2 additional bedrooms and a full bath with handcrafted tile work. Relax in the 8-sided screen porch, finished in cedar, or enjoy the expansive deck. With mature trees, trails, wildlife, and nearby community amenities, this Monkton home offers a balance of privacy, craftsmanship, and Vermont lifestyle.